Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in the spirit of Halloween, we are going to find out what's inside this spooky looking skull squishy stress ball. It's like brains and guts and yucky stuff, and it's very cool for Halloween. So let's go ahead and open this up and get started. So I guess this is just a cup that goes in here, so that's kind of strange. Never thought it was going to be like that. I thought it was actually attached. But it's still cool, you guys. Still cool. Little skeleton silicone mold cup head. So let's just give him a squeeze. He's super fun to just squeeze. And I've actually never cut open one of these before. So we shall see what's inside. Let's take his brain out. And I'm going to leave it in this mesh. It seems like it's just connected by like a little zip tie. What is that? I don't know what that is, but that just got pulled out of there. Oh, it was probably holding that together, but it broke because I probably pulled it. Okay, so it was supposed to be stuck together. My bad, little skull guy. So since they were supposed to be together, maybe I should cut it with it together. Let's go ahead and see. Maybe I should just cut off one of the little balls when it's popped out. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's like brains. Goopy brains. So I'm going to cut this bag off. This is what was making it have like that bubbly effect because the pressure. Ooh, there's still some slime on there. And let's see, there's a little hole that I made. And there's still quite a bit of slime left in here. So this is a lot goopier than I thought it was going to be. I didn't know what kind of slime was going to be in here. I just knew it was some kind of slime. This kind of reminds me of blood, you guys. It's getting everywhere. So that's that bag flipped inside out. Let's put his goopy brains back inside his little skull head. It breaks apart really easy. It does stick to you quite a bit, so beware. There we go. His brains are falling out. Perfect for Halloween, right? He doesn't need him. He's a skeleton. So now that we know what's inside of here, we have solved the mystery. And I'm going to go wash my hands. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link a playlist of all my other What's Inside videos. Make sure you guys go check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you already haven't. We shall thank Mr. Skeleton Brain Guy for his sacrifice today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!